Welcome to this magical waterfront property on a spectacular 25 acres bordering the crystal blue waters of Lake McDonald. This unique property has absolute water frontage, privacy and magnificent mountain views. Relax and enjoy the peace and quiet within lush, usable acres, gently unfolding to the water's edge. The usability of the land will impress horse enthusiasts or the hobby farmer. A solid Gabriel Poole designed home sits overlooking the beautiful land and out over the water. There are 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and a fenced inbuilt pool. Enjoy the country lifestyle with the convenience of a 5-minute drive to the heart of Karoi and 15 minutes to Noosa. There is also town water, which is an extremely rare luxury to have on acreage. As well, a 2-car garage, 2 huge sheds ideal for boats, horse trailers, trucks and any other hobby you may have. This rare waterfront land is the perfect country lifestyle, or for that solid investment for your future.